This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording FPS count, or how many frames per second your video, your drone's footage is being recorded at on this device. So to start, make sure that the video shooting mode is selected, which you can tell by the shutter button being red. In order to switch to video shooting mode, you can either press the remote controller button, dedicated button, this one, or you can open this menu here, this film menu, and switch to video shooting mode. Now you can change the FPS both in the automatic camera mode and pro mode. So in the automatic mode, tap over here at the Res and FPS section, and now select whatever FPS count or FPS amount you would like to record your footage at. On this particular drone, regardless of the resolution, you always get 3 values. Those are 30, 50, and 60 FPS respectively. And while in the camera pro mode, on the other hand, you can also tap pretty much anywhere at the options. Just make sure that the first section, the preferences section, is selected here. And now you also have the dedicated Res and FPS selection menu. And you can also switch between those 3 aforementioned values, 30, 50, and 60 frames per second. And well, that's about it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.